I see now they rump in the back.
Did she say, I got a fatty? These are my gym clothes. But I guess I got a fatty, so I'm gonna twerk, 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 twerk.
Hey.
But, it ain't that fat back there, is it, cat?
Yes, you got fatty.
It's fat. Twerk. Oh. Twerk, 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 twerk. Oh, my bad.
You don't have to smack like that.
Hoes.
Yeah, we both thick. Thicker than a sneaker. She thicker than Cold Rotel. I know, right, girl? Whew, have y'all ever had Cold Rotel? No, but it's like Cold Rotel, like the cheese get cold and the Rotel gets stuck off in the damn cheese. That's how thick she is.
I guess you got us. That's gonna be my favorite song. That's gonna be my motherfucking playlist. And I guess I got hers. Let's see. I'm finna eat me a fire flame. Cause there's a flyer flame. I gotta eat me something in the morning. Like a sushi roll. You eat sushi?
I never
Eat the sushi, Annie Mae.
I never tasted sushi. I don't know how that stuff tastes. It look nasty.
See, you already judging something. And you already telling people not to judge you. And you already judging the piece of food.
But I never tasted sushi before.
Taste it. Girl, I'm not gonna play with you about no goddamn food.
I'll eat with my hand.
Play over my food.
Give me one.
No.
I'll eat with my hand.
No.
I haven't eaten with no chopsticks.
No.
That shit ain't go down my throat and choke me. God damn, you loud. Shit. You need to put that banana down. Shit.
Damn, these bananas good. You got them fresh, too.
3 years.
Don't keep asking the same questions we've been saying for a whole week for 5,000 days in a row. 5,000 times every day.
Right.
The fuck?
You know what? I just realized I was sounding stupid answering the same questions over and over again.
You sure is. To work with me today, guys. I gotta be to work at 10.
Yeah, we finna deliver some packages.
No, we ain't delivering no packages. We are delivering GoPuff. GoPuff packages.
How can you put my hair back up since you messed it up?
And y'all call me annoying. Cause she got hers. I'm just gonna take it out this motherfucking shit. Cause now I got irritated. I guess the hair is too long. Cause you wanted me to just have it long. I said you want it long, short, medium. I want it long. So now you got to deal with the stress of having it long. Hold on. What'd you have that? excuse me, because I'm back. Don't worry, I got something for this. Hold on. Let me show you what I'm going to do. It's going to be cute. Yeah, so it won't go on your face.
What the hell?
Girl, don't do that. Don't do that. Because I not seen the hair you not worn before. Oops. Don't do this.
I used to have my hair like this in high school. I'm not in high school no more. I'm out of school. The fuck? I'm out of school, girl. Why you did my hair like this?
So it can get out your face. Don't try to flex on Facebook because you just had your hair like that last night. Don't do it. Don't
That's
do it.
how you messed it up.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it, man.
know what?
You gonna say the song right, man? Taraji, you gonna sing the song right, man? Don't do it. Don't do
You
it.
got me a fucking middle school hairstyle.
Cause I was just thinking, you guys.
Move it. She gave me a middle school hairstyle. I used to wear my hair like this in middle school with box braids and had my hair like this in middle school. Oh my God.
Okay, well put it in the bite. Put it in the, what they say in Florida? Put it in the bite. Put it in the bite. This one like.
36 years old.
It don't matter.
And you doing my hair like
Okay, you don't act 36. You act younger than 36, but you don't act like you're younger than 20. So